Boom! What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs on YouTube. Let's go. Alright, so at the number 10 spot we have Valiant and Russian Passenger Princess. Let's go. At the number 9 spot we have Massacre and Russian with Sex. Let's go. Y'all don't know if you whine. Alright, at the number 8 spot we have Jamal, Godspeed. Let's go. Bad song. At the number 7 spot, who do we have? Skipper with Go. Go. At the number 6 spot, who do we have? Skipper again with Evil. Let's go. Been trending for some time now. At the number 5th spot, who do we have? Skipper again and DJ Mac 10 past 2. Let's go. At the number 4th spot, who do we have? Not Nice and Sierra. Save Me. Let's go. I think that's an AI artist too, you know. At the number 3rd spot, we have Prince Roy. Slap Up. Let's go. At the number 2nd spot, who do we have? Skipper again with Currency. Let's go. Money. Let's go. Alright, at the number 1 spot, who do we have? James B. Love and Shakalopa. Let's go. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs for this week. Stay tuned for your next episode next week. Let's go. Boom.